So Samsung is back at it again, trying to get people to buy the Z Fold 6. So we talked about around a couple weeks ago how, Samsung, they were going all out. They went ahead and slashed prices by $500 on the Z Fold 6. Now they're doing another discount, this time of $300 on the 512GB model and the 256. This is not for the 1TB. Earlier, or a couple of weeks ago, they did have a 1TB discount, but this is just those discounts. Also, though, going back to the trade-in model, they're going a little crazy also with trade-in. So, for example, an iPhone 12 Pro Max that is now 4 generations old, they'll give you $800 for, which, to be honest, is a great value. You're probably not going to get a 12 Pro Max more than... Okay, let's say you sell a 12 Pro Max right on eBay. I'm going to check the price live on eBay just to see how much an iPhone 12 Pro Max is going for. And keep in mind, eBay takes a 13.4% of the money you get. They take that. So an iPhone 12 Pro Max right now on eBay is around it looks like around $400. A 512GB model in excellent condition is $394. A 12 Pro Max. So you sell your 12 Pro Max right now, you get around, after eBay tax and after the 13.4%, and if you did use promoted listings in any way, which you kind of have to on eBay, or else you can't, people won't find your product. We're gonna say around like 30, 40 bucks at. Wait, all right, I'm just gonna use calculator, cause let me not do this. My math is gonna be awful. So what did I say? 394 times 13.4%. That's $52. But then again, like I said, if you don't promote it, you're probably not gonna find it. But let's say, realistically speaking, 340 bucks you get for a 12 Pro Max on eBay. That's how much. And then again, shipping, you have to pay for shipping too. $800 to trade it in right now and get a new phone. That's insane. That's actually insane. Going down this list here, an iPhone 14 Pro is $700. An XS or a XS Max, which was the phone after the iPhone 10, so the iPhone 10s, that Max is $700. Bro, that phone is so freaking old. I have to check that price now too. An iPhone XS right now, or I guess an XX Max right now unlocked on eBay, is roughly around $200. Right around $200 is how much that phone is on eBay. You get $700 for a trade-in. 15 plus. Again, these are newer phones, so it's a little bit not crazy. Even an iPhone X. iPhone X is $150 on eBay. XS is $550. iPhone XR, $550. I mean, again, I gotta give Samsung a lot of credit, man. They give you a lot of value for your phone. They really do. They give you a lot of one. What if... Okay, so it says other iPhone. I have an iPhone 5. I highly doubt I'm not sure. They might give you $300 for it. Pixel Fold, they're going to give you $800 for the original Pixel Fold. They're not going to take the new Pixel Fold, though. They didn't think so. They're also not going to take the new Pixel 9 series, it looks like. Other phones, $300. Okay, so yeah, other smartphones are going to be like whatever, $300. But still, not bad. Not bad at all. So, got to give Samsung credit. The $300 off strategy, I don't know if I think many people are going to get too excited about that. But they're definitely going to get excited for that trade-in value, because that trade-in value is insane. But tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.